Hello, I'm Elizabeth, and this is your planning mentor. Today we have this beautiful kit from Simple Paper. This is the September kit, and I mean, look at this. It is stunning. I'm so excited about fall, and I can't wait to use this in my planner. I mean, this is just so pretty. So we have our dates and then some extra dots. I like to use these in my monthly calendars. We have the September monthly header and then a calendar. Dahlias. I love dahlias. Mine are just starting to open up in my yard. A little daisy, a farmhouse. We have some individual stickers, a little bird. I think that's an eastern bluebird maybe. French press coffee, a little hedgehog. Oh, it's just... Next, we have another set of individual stickers. A lane, a little layering here with some postage. Pears, berries. Our washi strip is a scene from a hillside. Sweater weather. Some dahlias. Some more washi type. Crisp autumn, and again with some layering. Here we have our torn paper and washi. Our film strip with some different scenes. A hillside with some trees, fall leaves, front porch, some trees again, and our color swatches. We've got a Polaroid of a house, another pear with the cancellation, Washington, D.C., some more Polaroids, a larger layered sticker, and this quote from F. Scott Fitzgerald, "Life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall." So pretty. And then we have the second, I think this might be just an extra that got in here by accident. We have some animal stickers here, ducks on a pond, kitty cat, horses, more ducks, some feathers. We've got some morning coffee and looks like maybe brie, some cheese, or maybe a pastry with a pear. We've got some clothes, front porch, pears, cup pear, basket of pears. We have a whole page of pears here, and I didn't say it before, but this has some gold embossing. Can you see that? Oh, so pretty. And we have some cancellations. Again, life starts all over again when it gets crisp in the fall. Postage, stamps. Fun. Oh. August. I think this is also just thrown in extra because I have my August already, and I've used that, so I know this is an extra. Our days of the week, Monday, Tuesday. Then we've got notes down here. Beautiful. So pretty. I just love the combination of the cream colored dahlias or white dahlias with the pears. That's just really pretty. And then we again have some more single. Oh, gorgeous. So we'll just go through this again. And there are a lot of stickers in this kit. So pretty. Thank you for joining me today. I really appreciate any time you choose to spend on my channel. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. I hope you have a lovely, lovely day, and I'll see you in my next video. Thank you.